Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I am the download driver Canon and Canon Pixma. This here for the serial, this here for the type driver to load and please like this why I'm search the official website for you. I am like download for the official website. The official website not a virus and easy to download for the official website for the Canon Pixma at the printer and this here for the printer usa.canon.com. This here for the uh, official website for the Canon. This why this you click this here for the printer Canon. I am the download for the driver here, driver the Canon Pixma. Here the printer, and this for the you click the software and download software and driver. You click here and please like this here for detect automatic your operating system. This here for operating system for the Windows, and for specific version for Windows 8 I'm changing the system operation. This here for the system operation for the Mac, and this here for the Mac version. You looking the Mac 12, Mac 11. Not to update for the Mac. This here for Mac 12, Mac 11. This here for Mac 11 Monterey, and Big Sur for Mac 12. This here for the update for the Mac the driver. This here for the Mac driver for software, and you click the dial support for the printer for the Mac. Okay, Mac 12 for the easy photo print and spatial utility or Wi-Fi connection assistant. And this here for quick menu, and my image garden, and this here for printer firmware update for the Mac. Okay, and this here for the EG G IG scan utility. Okay, I'm checking the operating system for the Linux, and this here for the Linux this here for the printer firmware update for the Mac and this here for the Linux the driver and Debian package for the Linux. I am recommendation for you. You download for the package the driver. And this video I'm the download driver for the Windows 11. This here for the Windows, and this here for the specific for the this here for Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 9, Windows 11, and this here for the Windows 11. I am need download driver for the Windows 11. You click here for the Windows 11, and this here for EG assistant print assistant tool for the Windows 11, and I am looking the file. This here for the software printer setting and the performance machine, and this here for the easy photo print or Wi-Fi connect assistant, and this here for speed dial for the Windows 11, and this here for the Mac. uh, I'm download here for the printer assistant, and the click download. This here for the driver download. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you turn on the here, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and please wait to finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here, or you click here, you click open and double click file. This here for you click connect and finish. This here for you click detect your uh, you take your USB cable printer and install automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need link below description the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. See you by next time the video.